Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Today we will see construction vehicles. Construction vehicles help build things. Construction vehicles are big and strong. This is a digger. Digger digs the ground. Digger is very powerful. Vroom vroom. This is a crane. Crane is very tall. Crane lifts heavy things. This is a bulldozer. Bulldozer pushes dirt. Bulldozer is strong. This is a cement mixer. Cement mixer spins round and round. Cement mixer helps make buildings. This is a loader. Loader carries heavy things. Loader is very useful. Construction vehicles are amazing. They help people build things. Let us see the construction vehicles again. Digger, crane, bulldozer, cement mixer, loader. Let us clap for construction vehicles. Clap, clap, clap.
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching!